to BSLIVE. In this episode, I want to kind of explore this add-on. This is an old add-on for Blender 2.79. It's called Bone Modeling Helper. The creator is the developer from Japan, and this is quite old add-on, but still working really well. Basically, like what it says, you can create bones from selected edges, and then you can you can try that really quickly with Suzanne, for example. I will generate UV, and I'll save this really quick as BMH demo. I've tried this add-on a couple of times. Maybe there are a few things that I missed, but basically you go into edit mode, and this is where I usually work with this add-on. Create bones from selected edges. So we need to go into edge select, and with edge select you really basically you select, for example, you want to select Suzanne eyebrow. You want to rig Suzanne head really quickly, so you select the edges and you create bones from selected. So you get that, and then you want to maybe mirror the bones really quickly. Where is the mirror bones? This is left or right? Or just create selected mirror bones. Something like that. So it's mirrored, so you need to only do one side. Go back to Suzanne. Maybe select around Suzanne eyes. I will hold Option and right click. We are still, this is Blender 2.79, so we are still using right click for select. Create bones from selected. So I'll continue with this. Then the nose also maybe do that. 3, 4. I missed one. Create bones from selected. Suzanne mouth, very important. 1, 2, 3, 4. Create bones from selected. The area around Suzanne, because if we want to deform Suzanne very quickly, we want to keep that shape. So I'll just do that. I'll just do it like that. And then the ear, create bones from selected, and then mirror the bones. Okay, so I think we probably got it all. A good idea is to have bones that control the whole face. The eye, okay, I forgot about this one. So we have a lot of armature here. I'm just gonna select all of them and then join as a single armature. And then inside here, oops, I forgot this part. Mirror that. I'm selecting one bones in edit mode and then hit L and then create mirror bones. I think we got them all, and then with all of this selected, I will do a Shift A. Shift A will create a master bone, and this also super useful. I mean, for what we are doing, I'm just gonna create 2 bones or maybe 3. Now with the Suzanne selected and then select the armature, I'll do Control P and then use automatic weight. And let's see what we have now. File, save as. So I don't have anything fancy. I don't have IK or whatever, but we can select Suzanne, select the bones and then go into pose mode, and hopefully this works. I don't know the result. What's the result's gonna be? Okay. Yeah, probably the result is not so good at the moment. I probably made a mistake. Select Suzanne, remove the modifier. So with this guy all selected, I'm just gonna parent Control P and then keep offset. So now all the bones are parented under one root node. So now select Suzanne and select Armature. Use automatic weight once again. Go to post mode. Now the result's a bit better. We have the X-ray mode. For this phase, for the bones, actually I like to see the bones differently. So we need to be in edit mode, and the bones, what is the, yeah, I want it to be as a stick. So that's what we have now. I think we can control the nose very quickly, or the mouth, very important. So I'll try to make a keyframe animations very quickly. So that's at the default pose. I'll try to make Suzanne smiling a little bit. You see the bones are kind of separated, but that's actually a good thing. So Suzanne, okay, with Suzanne's shape, I don't want to select it. I want it to be a bit of high res. Control 2 and remove selection. And I also want to remove all these lines, very annoying lines. Turn off relationship lines. Okay. Now Suzanne is animatable. Make a I mean, Suzanne mouth is probably, this is not the best mouth shape, but it's doing it's still pretty good. Select all, tap I, lock rod scale. So we have that animations very easily. The rest of them, if I want to do this properly, oh, okay, that's controlling the behind. Like Suzanne had this one, control the whole head, so that's good. We need that kind of motion. Maybe some part I should have maybe like put this under a single bone so we can move it easily, scale it. But that's actually nice. That's really nice. We also don't have like a jaw motion or things like that yet. But with the mouth, to be able to select just the mouth and then rotate it, it's really cool. Lock rod scale, see, and maybe give it different expression. Make Suzanne looking sad now. Or rather kind of worry. So, and all of this is using bone animation, so that's really important. Let's play around with the ears a little bit. The ear on the monkey is very important. Maybe we don't want to sometimes we want to scale it and just rotate that part. So that's it's kind of cute. Because to make for creature like a monkey and you want to really have expressive emotion, you probably want to animate everything. The ears, the mouth, the eye, around the eyes, very important. This or the blink, also this part of the monkey is also very important. Surprise. See, that's and we can always reset it. That's the nice thing about Blender bones. select all the post bones. Option R, G, and S will reset everything. So back to the default expression. And then we can reshape this, maybe make it like, make the mouth surprise, like happy kind of surprise. We don't have jaw control once again, but this part maybe we can play around with. Yeah, look, that's not bad. I think there's a way to, so that we can move all these bones but proportionally. Maybe Blender proportional editing. We don't have it. Select this, and when I'm gonna move that jaw, squeeze it a little bit. But if we select all of these and rotate like that, it's gonna be more expressive. So the shape looks like Suzanne is really like jolly, happy. Okay, this part also important. I almost forgot. I have control over the shape of the eyebrow and also the outer part of Suzanne. And of course, don't forget the whole head. If a character is happy, very likely they're gonna rotate the head. So very quickly, yeah. Even though this is not like a proper rig, we can shape Suzanne. Thanks to the bone helper. What is it called again? Hit T. Bone modeling helper. This add-on works only for Blender 2.79. Unfortunately, I'm hoping that the developer is still able to convert it to Blender 2.8. That's the one we have now. And because this is all bones, the good thing is that we can export it. File, maybe let me try file export as FBX, and go to Blender 2.8. File, import FBX, download. Oh, actually desktop. So bone modeling helper. Now Suzanne is imported, and I want to give it a bit nicer material. So file, save as Suzanne BMH EV. Should have like a texture or something. Look at the material. Right. Okay, kind of like a clay type of material. And quickly check the animation, still there. Somehow on the Mac, this and this kind of slow down the Mac a little bit. I don't know why, because maybe because of the graphic card. Yeah, the mouth shape is not great, but it's still okay. File, export, GLTF. USDZ, DMH. Save the animation. Go back here. USDZ convert. Yep. So this works for USDZ. I mean, the shape, the face shape is a bit ugly there. Maybe it's pushing the mesh too much around that area, but some of the shapes looking all right. Because this is all like bone rig. Yep. So yeah, hopefully this is useful for you. Let me know what you think. You basically need to download the BMH add-on. So bone modeling helper. I have version 2 and version 2.1. Oh, the author is Ishidourou. I'll try to contact him and maybe he has the version for Blender 2.8. All right, thanks again for tuning in and I'll see you next time. Bye.